So Kinship returns results from your open model, approved families in the library, including lists, and then collections and other models tracked by Kinship. So these are all the different areas where we will search and return results from. As we kind of discussed, private projects are only visible to members of the project team, the team that's working on it, and private collections are only visible to members of a project team to which the collection is assigned. So if you remember, this is all the different areas where families are stored, where content is stored really, within Kinship. So when you search, you will not see results from unapproved, right? You also will not see results from private collections or private models. Unless you're working on that project, or else the collection is assigned to a project that you're working on. So this is you. And so that's really just kind of visually showing what we talked about in the last slide, where the search will look. So in terms of ordering of the results, your current project comes first. So anything that's in the project you're working on has that little blue icon, and that comes first. Then the library. And then after that is other locations such as collections and models. Now there are actually, a large number of factors that come into the ordering. So, how close the match is. Like we talked about Revit version. I mean, if the Revit version isn't appropriate, then we don't return it, or what and the unit system. So we look at these different results, and so an exact match from another location may come above the library, depending on how close the match is. But in general, this is the order in which things get returned. So I've said a couple of times that if things are in the same project, then they come back as high priority and that little blue icon. So what does that mean? So it means that it's in the model you're working on, or it's in a model that's in the same project. So we group models into projects, and if it's in another model that's in the same project you're working on, then the result will be it will be considered in the same project. And if it's in a collection that's assigned to the project, so collections are assigned to projects, and if it's assigned to that, then that will have the blue icon.